Think all electric pole saws perform the same? Think again. The wrong one can leave you struggling with thick branches, short battery life, and unsafe trimming. We tested and compared 5 of the best electric pole saws to find the ones that deliver the best power, reach, and value. One of these might be exactly what your yard needs. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt electric pole saw. The DEWALT 20-volt electric pole saw is a versatile and reliable tool designed for homeowners and professionals seeking efficiency in pruning and trimming tasks. Its extension pole allows users to reach up to 15 feet, eliminating the need for ladders and improving safety when working on high branches. Equipped with a durable cutting grip, metal bucking strip, and tree hook, the saw makes it easy to remove branches cleanly while maintaining stability during operation. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and delivers up to 96 cuts per charge on a 4-inch by 4-inch pressure-treated pine wood, making it suitable for extended yard work. The 8-inch low kickback bar and chain provide smooth and controlled cutting, reducing the risk of accidents. An auto-oiling system keeps the chain lubricated with minimal maintenance, enhancing longevity and cutting efficiency. Number 2. EGO Power Plus 56-volt electric pole saw. The EGO Power Plus 56-volt electric pole saw sets itself apart with advanced features designed for precision and power. Its LED cut line indicator allows for accurate trimming even in low light or shaded areas, a feature rarely seen in pole saws. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, this saw can deliver up to 100 cuts per charge using the included 2.5Ah battery and is compatible with all EGO 56V ARC lithium batteries for extended use. The telescopic carbon fiber shaft extends reach up to 13 feet or up to 17 feet with a separately sold extension pole, providing access to tall branches without ladders. The 10-inch bar and chain, featuring a 1/4-inch pitch and 0.043-inch gauge, cut through wood quickly and efficiently, while the chain speed of up to 20 meters per second ensures clean and smooth results. The tool-free chain tensioning system allows for quick and easy adjustments, and the saw also includes a convenient quick-adjust handle and shoulder strap hook for comfort and better maneuverability. Number 3. Supstable 8-inch electric pole saw. The Supstable 8-inch electric pole saw is a versatile and practical tool for homeowners and garden enthusiasts seeking an all-in-one solution for tree trimming, branch pruning, and firewood cutting. This 2-in-1 design functions both as a handheld mini chainsaw and a telescopic pole saw, allowing users to handle low branches and hard-to-reach limbs with a single device. The adjustable pole extends up to 16 feet, making it possible to trim tall trees safely from the ground, while improving stability and reducing the need for ladders. The saw includes 2 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, providing up to 100 minutes of runtime, which is ideal for extended yard work or storm cleanup without frequent recharging. Its automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated, minimizing maintenance while enhancing cutting efficiency, and a transparent oil window allows users to monitor oil levels easily. Number 4. SEESII 6-inch electric pole saw. The SEESII 6-inch electric pole saw is designed for users who need flexibility, reach, and precise cutting in a compact, easy-to-use package. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to function as a handheld mini chainsaw or an extended pole saw, offering versatility for a range of trimming and pruning tasks. With an extended reach of up to 10 feet, the SEESII pole saw enables safe pruning of high branches without the need for ladders, reducing the risk of accidents. Dual 4,000 mAh batteries provide extended runtime, allowing users to complete larger projects without frequent interruptions for recharging. The adjustable cutting head ensures precise cuts at various angles, making it easy to work around fences, hedges, and awkward branches. Powered by a high-efficiency brush motor, the saw cuts through branches up to 6 inches thick with smooth and consistent performance. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it minimizes user fatigue while maintaining control during extended use. Number 5. WORX 10-inch electric pole saw. The WORX 10-inch electric pole saw is a powerful and user-friendly tool built for homeowners who need fast, precise, and safe tree trimming capabilities. Its 28 feet per second chain speed ensures quick and efficient cutting, allowing users to handle branches with minimal effort. The pole saw extends reach up to 10 feet, making it possible to prune high branches safely from the ground. Designed with a compact and lightweight 10-pound body, it offers excellent maneuverability and reduces user fatigue during extended use. The 2-in-1 design allows the pole extension to be removed, converting the tool into a handheld chainsaw for lower branches or general cutting tasks. Its one-button chain tensioning system and auto-lubrication features simplify maintenance, ensuring smooth performance and extending the life of the saw. The telescopic cutting length adjustment provides further versatility, allowing users to reach challenging angles and positions with ease. With its combination of speed, power, and ergonomic design, the WORX 10-inch electric pole saw delivers reliable results for residential tree trimming, garden upkeep, and pruning projects. We appreciate you taking the time to read through our guide. With the details shared, you can confidently choose the option that fits your needs best. Take your time, weigh the benefits, and make an informed decision. Here's to smarter choices and better results every time.